Hello guys, this is Brandon from 95 Apps. I'm presenting to you Alpha 1.5 of our game. Now, as you can see, if you've been following along with the dev, there has been a lot of visual changes. For once, we added the trails, and for two, we added this little city looking 8-bit map. Now, it is very resource dependent, and although we did port it or test port it to our iPhones, it was lagging a little bit, so that was a little bit of a problem. These colliders are now working, but that's a little problem, just very small little problem. So we go ahead, we play the game 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. The colors are very bright. It is very saturated on the PC, but once again, once you go on the phone, it looks a little bit weird. Mostly because it's rendering it at only 20 frames per second, and the iPhone isn't really that powerful of a device compared to my desktop. But as we keep progressing here, we're at 26. I'm not sure what my high score was, but what we also did was we made it so that once you beat your high score, you get a little special level progression sound. Sounds pretty nice. It's very fulfilling. Let's just keep going up. Right now, the levels are really simple, like the blocks just move left and right, but we're gonna definitely make them harder. We're gonna move faster, we're gonna make them move unpredictably, and we're also going to make them move upwards and backwards. Or downwards, I mean. Oh, come on, I gotta beat this high score. So, now you're probably wondering why is the skybox so ugly. Well, we're using the default skybox because we don't actually have our own skybox yet. We're gonna have to make a 6-sided picture for that, and we're gonna make it ourselves via Photoshop. So I didn't beat it there. Now I'm gonna try once more. If it still doesn't work, I'm gonna redo it on regedit. And that, it did not register. But good thing this is only alpha 1.5, so many bugs to be fixed. So high score 84. I need to beat that. It's probably gonna take some time, but it'll give me some time to talk about this. 9, 10. Oh yeah, for the jump, we are just using a simple raycast, or 5 of them, one on the left, one on the right, bottom left, and bottom right. Finally, one on the center. That's how we're detecting all our collisions, and we're just setting a bool to be true or false to enable it to jump. Now, for our skybox, we're trying to look for an 8-bit looking one just like our city to go along with our overall theme, but we couldn't find one, so we're gonna either need to buy one or we're gonna make it ourselves. Most likely, we're gonna make it ourselves. Now, as you can see, there's 2 cities here, and it's basically just the first city plus the second city, and I just could not beat it. So I'll go into my regedit, just change some things up here. High score, bam, reset, being cheap. Alright, so now, oh, I did not change it. What? I do not know why it's not changing. Well, I probably am on a different regedit. Okay, that's a pain. Oh, I think I found it. High score, got it. Alright. Please, yes, sorry, see. Yeah, I was just in a different wrong file. So here we are at high score. We just reset it, so it is 0. And as you can see, the block is highlighted gold. It has some simple particles coming out. It stops after a short while. High score 0, and not sure if you guys can hear this, but once you jump on, makes a nice little sound. And from there on out, every single block you touch will turn to gold, marking your high score. So if I were to stop right here, you will see 10 is yellow or gold. We're gonna restart. High score is 10. And all of these blocks are white. And once you see 10, yeah, you see 10 in the distance. It is nice looking gold, yellow, shiny thing. Boom. Makes the sound again. And you keep progressing. So this is pretty much Alpha 1.5. Thank you guys for listening. And I will see you guys in the next one.